Okay, Max, this is the first minuet. We're going to work on that blue note, the very loudest note. And what you like to do is to play it like this. And so go ahead and practice leaning into this note. And practice leaning in and collecting 10 of those with metronome. Okay, now you can pause video. Okay, now we're going to work on minuet in G. We're going to work on these two measures. The first two are much louder than the second two. And so let's work on the first two measures and make sure they're nice and loud. So essentially do this very loud, collect 10 times, and then you can pause the video. Okay, now work on the second two measures very softly. So this very soft. Okay, now you can pause the video. And now we're going to work on this section of the piece. It's still on the first page. We're going to work on detaching these notes over here, as well as these notes. Okay, it's on, this goes do, mi, so, ti, re, so. So notice the left hand, it sounds like. If you need to practice just left hand, go ahead and do that. But you can also just do hands together if you can do that. I believe you start here, you want your third finger on the do. I'm sorry, third finger, and then it looks like fifth finger on the T. So collect 10 of those. And then you can pause. And now we're going to go over here. A few more places to do detaching. That's page 2. After you play la, re, re, ti, re, re, left hand goes fa, re, so. Okay, so let's do that. I'm sorry. So this, you can play just this part, or you can start with the la, re, re. If you start with just this part, the fa begins with, fa sharp, sorry, begins with the index finger on the left hand. And you can collect 10 of those and pause. Okay, now we're going to work on the dynamics over here, right after that detachment part. Re, mi, fa, so. So let's collect 10 of these. So getting louder. You can add the right hand if you want. Okay, so collect 10 of those and then pause. And now lastly, what I'd like you to do is play from this part to the end so that you have very loud and then very soft, just like the beginning. Okay, so I haven't played to the end because I wanted to point out that over here again is detached notes. So I'm going to play play from here to the end, you are trying to go for big crescendo, then loud, then soft, then detached notes. Excuse me. All right, so collect 10 of those.